Hey guys, how are you today? So I just finished watching Jason's Quick Set Titan video for like the 4th time because I kept trying to fall asleep. I'm not sure if it's because I'm up early and off to work early and after 12 hours have a few wobbly pops. Anyway, I finally got through the video for the 4th time and I thought, you know, it's about time that I dug out the package that I got from Chirael and from LPP. Because there's supposed to be some Titan stuff in here. Oh yeah, look what showed up at Home Depot, special order for me today. Pretty sweet. Okay, let's get this thing open. Ooh. Quick Set Titan, original box. So there were a few of these on eBay that I asked Chirael to pick up for me. And shipping from eBay to Canada is just ridiculous. So Chirael agreed that he would pick these up for me and then ship them to save me a bit on shipping charges. Well, here we go. Aged Bronze Titan. Complete. Latch. Here's my keys. Perfect. Excellent. There's one. That was fun. This is probably the LPP package, or it might be Chirael's package, I don't know. Oh, here we go here. Hey Gumby, here's a small something for you I got, hope you like it. Anthony, oh, okay, so this is the package from Chirael. That Titan there, this first Titan here, this is the one from LPP. Thanks a lot, LPP. PackLock. Ooh, it's a brand new lock. Maybe Anthony's got his own lock design here. Ooh, it's Gumby Green. Oh, that's awesome. That's totally awesome. It's got a Gumby melting into the green background. That is just perfect. Thank you so much. That's awesome. And then here's the other two, or the other Titan. And oh, this is the D-wrench that I had asked LPP for. So I'm not sure if this was packaged twice or what the deal is, but I think this one here is from LPP. This is from Anthony, and that's from Anthony. I think that's how it goes. Anyway, very pleased to have some Titans to play with and an awesome padlock to boot. We'll talk to you later. Thanks all.